Welcome to Oslo. In this video, we'll walk you through how to sign up, how to create a new project, and how to upload your media files to your account. Getting started with Oslo is super easy. All you have to do is go to oslo.io, log in with your Google account, and you're done. After you log in, you'll find yourself in the main projects workspace. Create your first project by clicking on the New Project button and give your project a name. Select your preferred permissions and email notifications. By default, you get email notifications for every change when creating a new project. You can upload new media to your project in 3 different ways. Click on the plus sign next to Media to browse and select files to upload. Drag and drop files directly into your project workspace. Or create and share a secure upload link that allows video creators and others to upload files directly to your project. To create a new upload link, go to the Upload Links tab in your project and click on the button. You can set a link expiration date and a passphrase to ensure that the right people have access. After your upload is complete, scrubbing functionality is instantly enabled for your videos, and thumbnails are created for your still images. Give your project some structure by creating folders and subfolders. Toggle between list and tile views by clicking on the list icon. You can also sort your media assets by date, name, file type, or folder.